Hello my friend, and welcome back to another junk journal video. Today I'm gonna do the Margaret Miller challenge or assignment, and I'm gonna do the number 20 and 24. This is such an easy and fun challenge to do, and so yeah, for the challenge number 20 I need a thread or a piece of fabric. I chose a thread. I need a label, a plant, something found in a doctor's office. I had one, sadly. A sticker, and a bonus I have an art scrap. And for the challenge number 24 I have something you're thankful or grateful, numbers, a ticket, handwriting, something you can blow in the wind, which was a real challenge for me, which I regret, but you will see somewhere in the middle of the video, and a bonus, a map, which I do. I already chosen the pages that I want to work on. The page has a map, which will be my bonus, and I have a little scrap of map, which you will see in the end. I have this very old wallpaper, which I love the colors, I love the vintage and the junk journal feel to it. So I just cut scraps that I wanted. And now I'm just cutting the butterflies out. And I'm also cutting the postcard and the little butterfly, just so I will have something to work on and to collage the page. So yeah, this is the art scrap that I have. It's just a practice that I've made and I want to use that. I'm gonna use it as a double tag with a pocket. And yeah, I just cut to the shape of a tag and I punched a hole, and I'm putting the thread that I've chosen inside that hole and making a cute little bow. And I just wanted to make a pocket or a dark spot inside that tag, so I took my double-sided tape and just glued the bottom of that tag. That way I had a pocket. And now I just wanted to start to collage the pages, so I'm taking the postcard. And yeah, I have this wristband, hospital wristband, which when my husband went to the ER, but everything is okay, don't worry. And I'm just stressing the tag a bit and a label. And I'm gluing the label on top of that tag at the bottom, just so I will have another bit of journaling spots. Then I took the little butterfly that I fuzzy cut it and I placed it at the bottom of that postcard. Now I have this envelope and I'm trying to figure out how I want it, and at the end I chose to put it on the side with a flap of the envelope going onto the next page. So I'm just gluing the flap of the envelope onto the other page with my glue stick. I grabbed some washi tape with cacti on it and I secured the envelope. Put another washi tape. It's a green with flowers on it. I really love how this turned out. I shortened the tag a bit just to make it fit in the envelope better and it wouldn't stick out of the journal too much. Now part of the assignment was to put a plant, and I have this one. They grow all over the place here and I just have one petal of it, and I decided to glue it onto the page underneath that butterfly, and I used just double-sided tape. I grabbed my stickers and I'm trying to figure out where to put, just to add a bit more color, and I wanted to add something resemble of a stamp, and I really love that one, that red one. So I placed it on top of that postcard, and I wanted another one, and I love the word love on this one, so I placed it on the envelope. But I remembered that I wanted the label, so I scrapped the sticker a bit just so I can glue the label underneath it. So I'm just adjusting the label and put it on top of that envelope. Underneath this envelope, I wanted some journaling area because I saw that I didn't have much. So I just grabbed a piece of scrap of paper. I'm just journaling. I wanted to keep this a bit private, and I just wrote on top of that label that my husband is okay. And yeah, now moving on onto the next page. I really love this butterflies image, and I wanted to put it on top of this very old wallpaper that I have. It's not a vintage, but I have this one for a very long time, and I'm spreading glue all over the page. I'm gluing the flap onto the next page and I'm cutting the excess away. And now I'm just gluing the image of the butterflies, which is so beautiful on this wallpaper. I have the numbers, and this little scrap of paper is from Marta, I think, from Mermaid Small Arts. And I also have this ticket, and I just glued another small label that I have, and I have a little scrap of paper with a map image on it. It's from a D&D map, and I placed it underneath the butterflies. I have this little card of Aphrodite, and I just punched a hole in it and used the same green thread. Now please guys, don't do this like me, like I did. It said on the assignment to put something that can be blown in the wind, and I just grabbed the vellum paper and make it as a pocket with double-sided tape, and that was a huge mistake because I used very, very, very small glitter, and it just went all over. So yeah, don't do that. I grabbed some stickers just to give that pocket a bit more color. And I'm using double-sided tape to add a pocket on top of that page. And yeah, now I'm adding the glitter, and that was a huge mess. Please don't do that. It's a huge mess. I just didn't think it through. So yeah, don't do that. As soon as I put it in, I knew it was a mistake. So I started adding washi tape to secure that area, and I added another one, and yeah, it stayed for now. But anyway, I grabbed a legal pad and I'm just journaling again, and I just wrote on that little label. I folded what I journaled about, and I'm tucking it just behind that card. And this is just about the things that I'm grateful for and a few more things. I grabbed another sticker and I placed it on top of that pocket, and a washi tape just to give it a bit more color. This is basically done. I really love Margaret Miller's assignment or challenges. Right now, when things are so stressful, it's nice to do something simple and creative and just be in the zone of art. I really love these assignments. They are so fun, so easy to make. I'm just looking if I want to add something, and I want to add on that label and on the tag. I just wrote my husband letter, first letter. I really love the petal and the postcard. I love the card with the art scraps, and the butterfly looks amazing on that wallpaper. I really love this pocket, I just don't like the glitter. But overall, I really love how this turned out. It was very simple. That is all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share if you wanna. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!